playing Don't Press the Button. I'm just gonna get the diamond instead. Okay. Score a goal with the soccer ball. Arr. Rap, rap, rap. Rap. Is the soccer ball gonna fall off? Nope. Okay, let's see if we can score the goal. Come on, score it. Someone scored the goal. Like, just TP with the ball. Eh? Go. Go, ball, go. Go off the map. Off the map. Okay, no one scored. We sucked. No one cooperated. Don't move in. Okay, I'm not gonna move. Wait, where? Press the ball. No. Wait, I can't even move. I couldn't move. My screen broke. Oh, there it is. You can't move. That gun's broken. Someone will win, right? Oh, that was a lucky one. This dude won. Wait, no, she didn't. Press the button, someone. I don't want to do that. No, that seems gross. Look, I can be at the tongue. Wait, no. I don't. I just wanted to be at the tongue. No. Oh wait. Oh no. Stop. No. No. What was this? Eh? Oh no. Oh no. I'm just gonna get AFK real quick. Why is everyone chasing me? What if she wins that boot? I wanna see. That guy is right there, bro. Oh. I don't like shooting. Wait. Oh, tsunami. Oh no, obby. I hate obbies. Let's just go. Nope. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is a main. God. Just going where I sense, man. Man, dead enders. Man, like so many dead ends. Where is this? Even she doesn't know. Hello? I'm just gonna follow them. Should we go this way? We can't. Okay, never mind. We're gonna have to go this way. Well, I wonder who's actually. Wait. I tried to just. Wait, what? No. Well, GG. There's no way we're gonna get out of this thing. This thing's insane. Ah. Speed run? Oh, I love these things. Do better in first person though. But I can't go for some reason. Camera's problem. I'll fix that after we do the speed. No, I think I'd have to fix it now. I still can't, man. I don't know why that's not. It was the camera inverter that fixed it. Really? Like and subscribe. Yay! We liked and subscribed. I mean, you probably didn't, but man, you really gotta do that to me. But guys, I think I'll end the video here. Bye.